Embark on a mystical journey with Heritage Atlas as we unravel how ancient spiritual beliefs wove the rich tapestry of Middle Eastern history. Discover 11 intriguing threads that bind the past to the present. Would you believe that Zoroastrianism, one of the world's oldest monotheistic religions, influenced the development of Christianity, Judaism, and Islam with concepts like heaven, hell, and the final judgment? In ancient Mesopotamia, the Epic of Gilgamesh introduced themes of immortality and human mortality that echo in religious texts throughout the region. The Druze religion, emerging from Ismaili Islam, holds reincarnation as a core belief, asserting that souls are reborn until they've achieved spiritual perfection. In Yemen's pre-Islamic culture, goddess worship was prevalent, and temples dedicated to goddesses like Al-Makah dominated spiritual practices. Did you know that in ancient Egypt, pharaohs were considered divine entities on earth, bridging the gap between gods and humans? The Sabaean religion of ancient Arabia revered celestial bodies and their deities, the moon god Al-Makah in particular, long before Islam unified the tribes under monotheism. The Yazidi faith uniquely combines elements of Zoroastrianism, Christianity, and Islam, while centering on the reverence for Melek Taus, the peacock angel. How about the fact that early Canaanite religion was polytheistic and included future Jewish biblical figures such as El and Baal in its pantheon? Manichaeism offered a dualistic worldview that competed with early Christianity and seamlessly blended Persian Christian and Buddhist beliefs. In pre-Islamic Arabia, the Kaaba was a sanctuary housing 360 idols of tribal gods, before it became Islam's holiest site devoted strictly to Allah. Did you ever hear that the Baha'i faith originated in 19th century Persia, with an emphasis on global unity and peace, and is now practiced in over 200 countries worldwide? Unlock the world's stories. Like, subscribe, and travel with us on Heritage Atlas.